This is my, I think it's like their version of clubhouse sandwich. With my drink, cucumber pineapple. Yeah, grilled chicken with
California, ma'am.
California mac. And that one is
Spicy salmon poke. I love poke.
my grilled sandwich for us.